I'm only smoking one. This is the first and last cigarette I'll ever light. I could really go for a smoke. Please tell me you have some.
Cheater! You got an indirect kiss for free!
Shut up. Thought I told both of you to work on your manners.
Your point?
That won't get me anywhere, so shove your manners up your a-hole, a-hole! Hayakawa, sir.
My liege.
Better.
Sweetness.
Huzzah! Right.
Let me guess. Makima's the sole reason you're here. Am I right?
Bingo!
Then I'm glad I beat the crap out of you.
Thought you were full of it. You said you wasted kindness on me. But you are nice, because I fight a dude! It's nuts or nothing!
Lord of Theos! The glory of the tale is mine!
Fake-ass faker! Miss Makima should arrest you for fraud!
More calumny even now! Devils don't tell lies! Deception is a human tactic!
First time I heard that one! Lying about lying proves you're guilty! Shit for brains!
It's human nature to speak falsehoods! You urged me to attack because I did!
Quit talking all funky to sound cooler than you are! Makes you even weirder!
Move on. Moo like cows.
Oh, perfect timing. She's here. All right, on your knees, mortal scum! Including so-called partners! You stand in the presence of power!
Power? That's your name? Those horns! Wait, hold up! A fiend devil hunter's gotta be breaking some kind of rule! I guess it's fine.
But since power is highly rational, I appointed her to Hayakawa's squad.
It's dumb as hell. I know I'd go to some pretty extreme lengths to fondle some titties, though.
The human psyche is a truly perplexing thing. Since you find the prospect of broken breasts intriguing, I'll let you touch mine as a reward for saving me, Howie.
That fucking devil! What a tool! Snatching innocent cats! Well, that ain't happening on my watch! As a devil hunter, I say no! I'll murderize him! Straight kill the shit out of that asshole! Where's the udon?
I have to ask, though. Think you're really up to it?
Of course I'm gonna need help.
Here, say Like it?
Do what?
Fuck.